Yo, what's up? Today is the 21st of January, but this trade recap is yesterday plus today, because yesterday, like, I went long and I didn't had that much time to record a video, so today we are gonna see the trade that I took Tuesday morning for me, so London session, and then we're gonna see the trade of today. This one I've not taken because I was on job, I was working, and at some point my boss came to my desk, and we had just like some chit and chat, so I missed the entry, and yeah, so didn't take this one, but on this one we make profits. So let's start with trade recap of Tuesday. On Tuesday, we took a trade on this leg. Basically, we were ranging during Asia. In Asia, we ranged a lot, and then we broke this kind of consolidation. This one, this consolidation, we broke the consolidation. In item frame, what we had was this like set of lows, high time frame liquidity, and at the same time we had this, which was 1 hour gap. In reality, that was 4 hour gap, right? This was the 4 hour gap, but yeah, I consider the 1 hour. Coming into the morning, my morning is just a long session. I clocked in like at this time right there. Here, more or less at 8 my time. So let me see here. Um, here, yeah, 8 8 a.m. We had this nice push high to fill a 30 minute. Okay, we if I remember correctly, yeah, we had even this 15-minute gap right there. They call it 15 minutes, so it's more like mech model shit. Um, so this was the low, right? After we went, sorry, before we went inside a 15-minute gap. So I said like, if this is a mech model, so we are pushing higher just to rebalance, we want to go lower, and lower what we had was this high time frame low and this 1 hour for value gap, right? I took out everything here, my last contract at this high time frame low, even if I could let my trade run even lower, at least at 50% of the gap, but we made some profit, so we are good. Essentially, my entry was like, okay, we have this 5 minute that has been disrespected after we push inside a 15-minute gap. So I said like, okay, this is my condition. My condition get ran through. So I said like, on the retest I wanna enter, right? So I scaled down a little bit, and I saw this. Where it is? Yeah, I saw this 3 minute. This one, right? I saw this 3 minute, which was inside my condition, and I scaled down to the 1 minute here. In the 1 minute, we push higher inside my 3 minute gap. Then we made this, which was 1 minute gap, bullish gap. I said like, okay, if we invert this one, I'm gonna enter. So we inverted, and I enter right here with the 4 contract. If I'm not wrong, 4 contract here. Let the price run. We accumulate a bit, and yeah, I took out 2 contracts here at this break-even point. Then price flowed down, and I took out, if I'm not wrong, here. Yes, I took out another contract here and this leg here. Then we push higher. Luckily, we didn't hit my stop loss at break even, which was at this level right there, and then we flushed down straight to my high time frame low, which was my last buy stop. And yeah, and on this day, on Tuesday, we made more or less 400 bucks. This was the trade. Um, was a 1 minute inverse for value gap. Was a continuation model because uh, we retraced inside a 15 minute and then we delivered lower, so it was a continuation model. Four lots for contract and was no SMT. Today trade was pretty much like what the fuck day, right? Because we went lower in the morning. Here, this is Asia session. Let me open this. Okay, from here is no a little bit early. Here from here is London session. So in London session, what we did was manipulate Asia low and true day open and previous day low, and then what we saw was this accumulation block, and I was expecting to see some choppy, manipulate, close above, retest, and go, right? But nothing. And market open, what we saw, let me mark out market open. So at market open, what we saw, we have this 15-minute gap. In pre-market, we ran higher, taking out Asia and London session highs. We ran higher. Then what we did was retrace back inside a 15-minute gap right there. Let me see here. And so at this point, I said like, okay, this 15-minute gap is my condition because it is the highest time frame gap, right? And I said in my mind, my thought process was, if we invert this gap, right, we want to go lower to this London session low. But if we invert this one, I want to see inversion, retest, and go, because just an inversion of 15 minute was like too much high time frame, right? So I waited, and what we saw was this SMT being put in place here with ES here didn't sweep this low, so was an SMT inside a 15-minute gap, so was free fucking money, free fucking bread. Yeah, then we took this 1 minute inversion that occurs right there, stop at this level right here, and break even right there was just a little bit too risky in my opinion, but I wasn't sure about this trade. I remember you, I didn't take this one, right? I didn't take this one. No money at all today, as you can see here. No money at all, because today I didn't take any trade, but I like did it on like on demo account, right? I simulated like if it was real, and yeah, price developed nicely. I time frame push. Let me see if we feel just a bit, and you would. Nope, we didn't feel it. We didn't feel it, even if on another Nasdaq one we feel it. Okay, this is crazy. Let me see on this one. Yeah, we didn't feel it. I trust CME, and even on Nasdaq mini, we didn't uh, tap inside the previous day. Sorry, new week opening gap. So yeah, and this was today trade. The idea of another continuation trade, because we have a push higher, then we retest back and we go higher, because we know that market moves like this, right? Higher high, lower a higher low and shit. So what a continuation trade is, using some PD arrays on the bullish leg and wait the bearish leg to tap inside of it and then continue to push higher. Let me make it like this, right? Perfect. Okay. So yeah, this was the trade targeted external volatile liquidity. At the same time, we add this from previous day Asia session, so another key level right there. So yeah, nice trade today. Kind of sad because I didn't take this one on my Discord. Gang took it, and I'm pretty happy for them because here. Yeah, I'm pretty happy for them, but at the same time pretty happy even for me because uh, I'm starting to recognize that I'm trading better, a more A plus setup, and trying to keep my mind on my rules, following my edge. And if I can say, let me see if I get trade away here. Yeah, if I can say, I'm pretty happy, up 600 bucks. I'm risking lower size just because with work and shit, I'm not like able to manage full position like this in London. Yes, because in London I'm home. It's morning for me, but like New York Open is 3 p.m. my time, so sometimes I have to work and I can like I can like trade, right? And yeah, this is this is all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and tuning in. Hope you like my content, and I hope to stack more 50k account and then trade lower size. That's my end goal, right? Having multiple 50k accounts so I can reduce my risk and get constantly paid by prop, right? Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. I'll leave you with this nice trick and with this, no, damn, all time, and let's put only this account with this 71% win rate and amazing stats. If I can say amazing stats. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and bye.